Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have see what is a student t-test. Who discussed student t-test, assumption of t-test, and the types of a t-test. Okay. In this lecture, we are going to see chi-square test. Okay. First, we have to see the definition of a chi-square. Chi-square test is the test of a significance. Okay. It is a test of a significance. It was first all used by the Carl Pearson in the year of 1900. Okay, it is the first test used by the all used by the Carl Pearson. Carl Pearson the firstly used that test. Chi-square test, it is useful for the measurement, the comparing the experimentally obtained result with those are the expected theoretical base result on the hypothesis, that are known as a chi-square test. Let's see what is the formula of chi-square test. Chi-square is equal to summation of observed value minus expected value, that square divided by the expected value. That are the formula of a chi-square test. If you do not remember the definition of a chi-square test, you simply return the formula, you can get marks. Let's see, it is a mathematical expression representing the ratio between the experimentally obtained result O and the theoretically expected result E based on the certain hypothesis. It can be used in the form of frequencies, the number occurring in a data. Chi-square test, it is calculated dividing the square of a overall. Chi-square, it is calculated dividing the square of a overall deviation observed expected frequency by the expected frequency. Why? Simply we have to remember the formula. What are the formula? Chi-square is equal to sum of all observed value minus expected value, that square, and divided by the expected value. If there are no difference between the actual and the observed frequency of a chi-square is a 0. If there are difference between the observed value and the expected value, then the value of chi-square would be more than 0. But difference in observed frequency may be also due to the sampling fluctuation, and the sample can be ignored in a drawing the inferences. That is the actual concept of the chi-square. Okay, let's see. First I have explained chi-square, what is the chi-square test, and which purpose chi-square test are used. There is only one purpose, for the test of a significance. Then next, chi-square test used by the Carl Pearson, that are the scientists that can be used chi-square test in 1900. Then I have explained the definition. Chi-square, it is nothing but the summation of a observed value minus expected value and the bracket square divided by the expected value. In this, there is a total explanation of a hypothesis, how that work, denotation of a symbol, what is meant by O, what is meant by E, what is my summation, what is meant by chi-square. And if there are the test of significance in 3 points. First significance, if there is no difference in observed value and expected value is a 0. If there are difference observed value and expected value, if there is a difference observed value and expected value, chi-square, it is a more than the 0. That means 1, 2, 3, that more. But difference may be actual by the fluctuation in sample, by the inferences in a sample that are given. Then next, the application of a chi-square test. There are the most important application chi-square test in a different field: agriculture, biology and the medicinal science. Different application, how they are used in agriculture, some production of a crop field or the yield there are can be used. In medicinal field there are the application of a drug on the organism, how they can respond, that are useful for the chi-square test, that decide that drug is either significant or not by the chi-square test. To test the goodness of a fit, goodness of fit means in your experiment how much amount of success are getting, that is known as a goodness of a fit. To test the independent attribute, to test the homogeneity, independent estimate the population of variance, to test the detection of a linkage, that overall is prepared from the that's given references. If any problem about chi-square test, please comment below the section.